Hello, today we're going with the freshest, most delicious recipe, and
easy. Don't miss it. Because the potato, let's get started by boiling potatoes. Here, it's to your taste. I'll use 8 to 9 small ones and cook them in the pressure cooker. Although you can do it in a regular pot just fine.
if you wait for the valve to rise and release the steam, they'll take about 6 minutes to be perfect.
After that time, set them aside. I'm also going to boil some eggs. I always like to add a splash of vinegar, just in case the shell cracks, so it seals up. I'm going to boil them for about 10 minutes. 5 eggs, and once they're boiled, I set them aside as well. By now the potatoes should have cooled down, so I'm going to peel them. You can see that when they're boiled, the skin comes off really easily. Just scrape a little with a knife, and the potato is left smooth.
Perfect and skinless, and also with an ideal texture for cutting into cubes.
Directly into a large bowl where I'm going to mix everything together. Come on, potatoes into the bowl. We're almost done with this. I'm also going to chop up some pickles, so I grab a little knife and slice them up to add in. 6 or 7 pickles, sliced, and also olives. A small pack goes in too.
How good is this going to taste?
I'm finally going to add something protein-rich and tasty.
In my case, canned tuna, without the liquid because I drained it first. 2 small cans, which weigh 160 grams.
And now the magic comes with 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm also going to add pepper to taste, also salt that I have right here, and a good splash, at least a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to mix all of this very well. Mix it thoroughly to get a fresh, oily, and flavorful sauce.
To enhance the flavors, and it's going to give it a fantastic magic.
That's today's super key. So we're going to add almost everything here, saving a little bit to put on top at the end. We just mix this by giving it a few turns so everything gets moist. Finally, cut the egg into small cubes and add to the previous mixture.
But I like to put it on top in slices, so I take the tray where I want to present this wonderful potato salad.
I take everything we had in the bowl and put it inside, smooth it out a little, and cover it with the slices of boiled egg we had.
Here we go.
And remember, I saved a little bit of the oil mixture to add now. Look at how it looks, how it turns out, all mixed with those colors. And so fresh, it makes you want to eat it. Even more. Look how we keep taking a little bit, and another little bit, and another little bit.
Delicious and very easy to make. Also, let me tell you a little trick. You can prepare it the day before, and all you have to do is mix it right before serving. All advantages.